Students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Peace be upon you. Home tutor is with you. Just we are going to start lesson 18 of grade 10 CBSE curriculum. Before starting, I want to say you that some children say that, oh, your pronunciation is not good. My pronunciation cannot be like the Arab, but the thing is when we talk, so we don't use this Dhamma, Kasra, Fatha in the on the last letter. We read generally the same like this. I try to read it. And the second thing, some just bad people, they are liking the channel, but they are promoting their channels through my channel. So their intention is to earn the money, not to help the children. And I was the first on the YouTube who took this initiative. After that, lots of channels, many people started, lots of channels started, and in their different ways. But as I started, still I am having the same thing, no proficiency, simple, just like as home tutor I say. So means in simple way I try to teach you, try to understand you, not the animated or writing or using the technology. I don't use, and I don't believe, because my purpose will finish, and my intention also, I will be greedy, same other people who want to make money and want to promote their channels. So please, I request to those people, don't copy my contents, particularly the translation, and don't put your channel's name or your name to promote to yourself through my channel. And I request you, to my students also, just disencourage to those people, because they are opportunists and they don't have by themselves any knowledge. They only want to eat the chewed food. So please just think about it. So welcome to you. Home tutor is with you. This is the lesson number 18. Eid Istiqlal. See, now if we will read it, so Eidu Istiqlalil Hindi. Understand? But if we will read, because this is the Sukun, this is the Dhamma, this is the Kasra, this is the Fatha, this is also Fatha, and Shadda also comes somewhere. So if we will read according to them, according to these signs, vowel signs, so then you will think that, oh, because there are many people that who try to speak like Arabic, but that is I don't like to that. So just simply Eid Istiqlal Hind, okay, means Indian, the Indian independence celebrations. Eid means celebration or festival, okay. So this is the Independence Day, and this is the one they wrote. Here you see this is the parade of Independence Day. All these things, these are the verses about that. Salamullahi ya Shoaib salam wa ya Mahdil falasifatil izam. Understand? So the peace of Allah be upon you, O people of peace. Ya Shoaib salam, O people of peace. Okay. Now, and the birthplace of great philosophers and intellectuals. See, philosophers, Izam, intellectuals. Okay. Now, laqad jahadat fi sabrin wa azmin. You have struggled with great patience and determination. Sabr, patient, azam, determination. Okay. وقابلت shadaida bibtisam, and you face the difficulties with smiles. Bibtisam, with smiles. Shadaid means difficulties. Okay. You know, if I will read, because why I read in simple way, because the thoughts behind it, that you should not concentrate what I am reading, you should concentrate only on the text and the meaning of the text. So it will be simple for you. Same like just feel free and just try to concentrate on the letters and the word. Wa'uddata muzaffaran hurran kariman. Okay. And you came back victoriously, being free and liberated. Hurran means free or liberated. Aziz al-Jahi, Marfu al-Muqam. There are two, this we can translate, having with the highest position and the status. See, and this what it will come. So having lofty, generous and prestigious or important ideas or place. This is the ideas, not the ideals. Okay. So, or we can say having lofty, generous and prestigious with highest position and status. So both meaning we can read, we can write. Biladuka zatu tarikhin majidin. Okay, or directly we say Majid. And your country has a glorious history. Tarikhul Majid, glorious history. Biladik, your country. Ariqin fil hazarati wan nazam, ancient civilization and laws and the system. Okay, hazaratin wan nizam, this means ancient civilization and laws and the grades. Now, Amaddal alamina bi falsafatin. Okay, or bi falsafat. It is provided the word with the philosophy. This is falsafa, philosophy. Okay, so falsafat, this is the plural noun. Azaha ziyauha hujub zalam, the light which removed the veil or the curtains of darkness. So, famin amaqina uzkat tahani. Okay, azkat tahani. Famanin amaqina azkat tahani. Azkat, see this is the shadda, so that's why we will say azkat, or this is the sun letter also. So al we will not read. So azkat tahani. So from bottom of our hearts, or so I pray you profound tribute from our soul. So both things we can write here. Ilayka nazuqaha fi kull am. We send purely the best wishes and greetings every year. Kull am, every year. Okay, nazuqaha, the wishes or the greetings. Laqad arafal jamiu jihada Gandhi. Everyone is already acquainted with the strive and vigorous efforts of Gandhi. Gandhi means Gandhi. Okay, jihad means this is the efforts or vigorous, not the fighting. Okay. means uh, whatever the efforts and whatever the work he did. Or we can say this, everyone is aware of the struggle of Gandhi. So whichever you want, because this is just like poetry, so poetry can have many meanings. So the most probably meanings I wrote here, and I don't know it is included in your text. So that's if you don't have, then it's okay. If you have, that's concentrate on this. Wama qasahu min ilmi siyam, and the pain of the fasting he had or tolerated. Alam siyam means pain of fasting or pain of struggle, we can say here also. Understand? Dash Shaba or Dash Shabal Azima Ilitahi. Understand? He called the great people for the brotherly association or brotherly connection. Understand? Or he united the nation towards national integration. This meaning, one is meaning this and other meaning are these. So whichever you think or your teacher say, just write those meanings which are appropriate you think. Wa arshada ila nabzil hizam, nabzil khizam. Okay? Wa arshada ila nabzil khizam, and guided or encountered them to throw away fighting and disputes, and guided or encouraged, okay, and guided or encouraged them to throw away fighting and disputes. So this was the this just like a poem, nasheed. In Arabic it is called the nasheed, and it is having many meanings. So that's why I wrote many places many meanings, or otherwise the some meaning. This the tamareen means exercises. Sarraf means use. Al fa'ilin means the fail. Al talib taleen means which is given down. Ma zakral mani, okay, with their meanings. What is this here? This is the jahid, this is the yajahid, okay. This is the dua, this is the yadu, okay, dua or yadu. Now see male absent. For the male absent, what we will write? Jahid, jahida, jahidwa. Now female absent, because this is the female, so that's why ta will come in the last. This is the for singular jahadat, and this is the jahadata for two, and jahadatun for many, okay. Now this is the male mukhatib, this is the absent, okay, and this is the mukhatib, means to with who we are talking, okay. So jahadata, jahadatuma, jahadatum. Understand? This is the for two, this is the more than for two, more than two ladies or girls. Now female mukhatib, this is the male mukhatib, sorry, this is the male jahadat, jahadatuma, jahadatum, okay, more two and more than two. And this is the female mukhatib, jahadati. See, only the this difference is only this, it is coming fatah here, it is coming kasra here. So jahadati. Now jahadatuma, jahadatuma, both male and female will come same. Now here you see for the more than 2 males, jahadatum. Now here jahadatunna, okay, jahadatunna, it will be jahadatunna, more than 2. Now male and female mutakallim means you talking, understand? So jahadatu, male or female sim will be jahadna, okay, understand? We, and jahadna more than 2, jahadat I, okay. Now see yujahid, so same thing, this male absent, first is male absent, second female absent, third is male mukhatib, fourth is female mukhatib, and fifth is male female mutakallim, okay. So yajahid, yajahidan for 2, yajahidun for more than 2. So tajahud, this is the for single, and tajahidan for 2 females, tajahidun for more than 2 females, yajahidun. But tajahidun should come, okay. This is, I think this I wrote by mistake, tajahidun it will come here, not that yaja. Ya we use the masculine noun, not for the feminine noun. So tajahidun, tajahid, see here, this is the male mukhatib, tajahidu, and this is the tajahidan, and this is the tajahidun. Now female mukhatib, tajahidin, tajahidan, and tajahidan, or tajahidanna. Ujahid I, najahid you, or we, and najahid you or I, okay. So now here the second exercise, this I wrote here the hat mufradat lil jamu, okay. Take out the singular wal jamu lil mufradat ma istaghdama fil jamal. So this part I not completed, you can use here. I wrote here, these are the, all the plurals are there, or the singulars are there, we have to write the plurals of them, but all are the this these are the plurals. This is the blad, country, so singular is the balad. So you can use in your sentence tarikh, history, tawarikh, this is the plural, amaq, this is the amaq, philosopher, philosopher, falus, aziz, izam, siyam, som, fast, okay, shob and shab, understand? So this work for you. And now here I did not this complete, because if you will complete it, it will be very nice for you and it will be practice for you, because already you know all the meanings. Now maza yaqul shair li khassa fi arabiyat, this is not important, this question is important. Ajab ali lasla al taliya, answer the following questions, okay. Man huwa Shaybu Salam, understand, who is that? Now in the beginning, in the first stanza you saw man qabla shadaid bil tasam, this also you know. Liman tarikh al majid, this also you know. Man dua shah bil takhi wa nabz al khizam. So now we have completed our chapter number 18 of grade 10 CBSE curriculum. Hope you are enjoying and you are telling this to help to other your classmates or your friends or your known people. So everyone should get benefit, and my intention also only to benefit the children, okay. If I am somewhere have been mistaken, because final authority is your teacher, but sometimes teachers don't have the time, so that's why I took this initiative. Inshallah you will get the good marks. Bye bye.